Time check 8 a.m. It's kinda rainy. Getting ready for today's book launch and my last event for the year here in Manila. So, just finished getting made up for the launch, and I'm glad the weather has it's kind of sunny right now, and yeah, I'm just watching Younger and chilling a bit because usually this gets really crazy, and I'll see you guys later for the launch.
Expect from the launch or the book? Yes. From the launch is, eto na nangyari na yung expectation ko, and that is to meet new friends like these guys. Kasi pare-pareho kami tatlo that who came here alone, now we gain friends. So,
about the book, I expect to learn more about her process and her thoughts about living creatively as a creative entrepreneur. So I'm excited for that.
Congrats again sa book, and more blessings to come.
Just congratulations. Yeah, it's exciting to have a new book.
I just want to congratulate Abbey for this book. Matagal na akong fan ni Abbey, and super congrats to her.
We want to say thank you to Abbey for sharing all her experiences throughout her creative journey, and also to have a safe trip in New York. And I am really glad that we met her, and God bless Abbey.